Good morning, students. So, as we were discussing our chapter number 12, Achar Vinoda Bhave. So, Achar Vinoda Bhave was a great person who devoted his life for the people. He was also a scholar and a saint, and he have devoted his complete life for the social services. So, we have studied this chapter till Bhudan movement, and today we will end up this chapter with his life and death, and after that we will get the question answers. Okay. So about his life, in a summary, we can say that he was a very simple man. He did not ever got angry or violent on anybody. His life is like a message to the people. He gave it. He gave up all his desires and ambitions and led a simple life. He felt like a criminal for pursuing or consuming that what absolutely necessary for sustaining life. That whatever is important for life, he doesn't want that. He served for the people even when there was no enough food, clothing, and shelter for their survival. Simplicity was the principle of Vinoda's Bhave life. His complete life was very simple. So we can say simplicity was the principle of Vinoda's Bhave life. He said that simplicity was essential to obtain equality. He always wore khadi as he was a follower of Mahatma Gandhi, so he also wore khadi clothes. He believed that Ram Raj could be established in India through the adoption of khadi. Ram Raj means peace can be established in India through adoption of khadi, simplicity in life, and small scale industries. So finally, he died in November 1982 after he felt seriously ill. He decided to end his life by refusing to accept any food and medicine, and finally he passed on 15th November 1982. Now we will just see the question answers of this chapter. First question A. Write about the qualities of Vinoda Bhave. So this answer is given on page 69. So first answer is given here. First paragraph. He was a scholar, a saint, a man of God, a moral tribune, and a ray of hope and solace to millions in India and abroad. He was one of the greatest spiritual leaders and social reformers of modern India. His work and personal example inspired all Indians from Prime Minister to the poor. So this is your answer number 1. Next answer. Vinoda Bhave was the spiritual successor of which great personality? So you will write Vinoda Bhave was the spiritual successor of Mahatma Gandhi. You will write the names. Vinoda Bhave was the spiritual successor of Mahatma Gandhi and his mother and father. Vinoda Bhave was the spiritual successor of Mahatma Gandhi and his mother and father. What vote did Vinoda Bhave take at the age of 10? So this answer is given on page 69. So this is your answer number 3. At the age of 10, he took a vow of lifelong celibacy and service to the poor. Third answer, it is this much only. At the age of 10, he took a vow of lifelong celibacy and service to the poor. This is your answer number 3. Next. Name the monthly Marathi magazine started by Vinoda Bhave. What did it comprises of? This answer is given on page number 70. So this is your answer number 4th. You can see here. A monthly Marathi magazine named Maharashtra Dharma. A monthly Marathi magazine named Maharashtra Dharma was started. It comprises of essays on the Upanishad. It comprises of the essays on the Upanishads. This is the answer number 4th. Next, 5th, what was the Vinodas Bhave concept of freedom? So this again answer on page number 70. So you can write from here, page number 70, third paragraph. Vinodas Bhave concept of freedom was unique in itself. He believed that freedom and fear can never go hand in hand. He advised people to conquer fear in order to be free. Vinoda Bhave's concept of freedom was unique in itself. He believed that freedom and fear can never go hand in hand. He advised people to conquer fear in order to free. This is your answer number 5th. 6th, how did Vinoda Bhave help the Harijans and the poor people? So this answer again, 70 page number. This answer you have to write in 2 points. So first, Bhudan movement was, here you will write was, Bhudan movement was started when the Harijans of Telangana district requested Vinodas Bhave to provide them 80 acres of land to make their land living. Bhudan movement was started when the Harijans of Telangana district requested Vinoda Bhave to provide them 80 acres of land to make their livings. This is first point. And second, Vinoda Bhave traveled across the country asking landlord to consider him as one of their sons and give him a portion of their land. After receiving the land, he distributed the land among the landless and the poor lay people. So this is your answer number 6th. Okay. Next, fill in the blanks. Vinoda Bhave was an advocate. Vinoda Bhave was an advocate. 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 Advocate of non-violence and human rights. Second, Vinoda Bhave's mother inculcated real love for the holy Bhagavad Gita in him. Vinoda Bhave's mother inculcated. INCULCATED. If you are feeling the spelling problem, I can repeat the spelling. INCULCATED. Inculcated. Next, third, Vinoda Bhave was highly impressed with Gandhiji's view and thoughts. Vinoda Bhave was highly impressed with Gandhiji's views and thought. In 1941, Vinoda Bhave was rightly chosen as the first Satyagrahi. First Satyagrahi spelling SATYAGRAHI. SATYAGRAHI. First Satyagrahi. Fifth, Vinoda Bhave's life was an indication. 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 Indication of his message to the people. Vinoda Bhave's life was an indication of his message to the people. Sixth, simplicity was the principle of Vinoda Bhave's life. Simplicity. 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 Next, third exercise. Explain the role of the Vinoda Bhave life. First, Rukmani Devi. So you will write from here. His mother shaped his mind. What I am saying. Write the answer what I am repeating. His mother shaped the mind of Vinoda Bhave towards devotion and spirituality. His mother shaped the mind of Vinoda Bhave towards devotion and spirituality. His mother inculcated great love for Bhagavad Gita in Vinoda Bhave life. Once again I am repeating. His mother shaped the mind of Vinoda Bhave towards devotion and spirituality. His mother inculcated great love for Bhagavad Gita in Vinoda Bhave life. Next, second point, Bhagavad Gita. I'm repeating, you need not to think what is written here, you just write. Vinoda Bhave, mother left Vinoda's Bhave. Right? Vinoda's Bhave, mother left. Vinoda's Bhave, mother left Bhagavad Gita. Vinoda's Bhave, mother left with Bhagavad Gita in the lap of Vinoda Bhave. Vinoda Bhave, mother's left Bhagavad Gita in the lap lap of Vinoda's Bhave when she died. Vinoda Bhave achieved Gyan. Vinoda Bhave achieved Gyan, G-Y-A-N, Gyan, Bhakti, B-H-A-K-T-I, Bhakti, and Karma with the help of, and Karma, K-A-R-M-A, Karma with the help of holy book Bhagavad Gita, with the help of holy book Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita also taught him that all life is one. Bhagavad Gita also told him that all life is one. Again I am repeating. Vinoda Bhave's mother left Bhagavad Gita in the lap of Vinoda Bhave when she died. Vinoda Bhave achieved Gyan, Bhakti and Karma with the help of holy book Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita taught him that all life is one. This is your second answer. Now third, Mahatma Gandhi. So Vinoda Bhave led a life of simple truth, non-violence, sacrifice, devotion. Write these points. Vinoda Bhave led simple truth, non-violence, sacrifice, devotion, truth, spiritual life like Mahatma Gandhi. Vinoda Bhave led simple truth, non-violence, sacrificed, devotion, spiritual life like Mahatma Gandhi. He wore khadi to believe, and he wore khadi clothes and believe in peace and harmony. I'm repeating this. Vinoda Bhave led simple truth, non-violence, sacrificed, devotional, spiritual life like Mahatma Gandhi. He wore khadi clothes and believe in peace and harmony. So this is your answer number third. My dear students, here your chapter and the portion for life skill is completed, and soon we are going to start your final exam, so you have to prepare for that. Your portion for final exam is chapter number 6 to 12. Your portion for final exam is chapter number 6 to 12 for this upcoming second term exam. 6 to 9 already came. Now 6 to 12 will come in the second periodic exam, so you have to prepare for that. Okay? Thank you, beta.